Just do it! What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Sole Post, and this is another Sole Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Nike Air Force 1 Just Do It. Now, this shoe pays homage to the Just Do It campaign, which celebrates its 30th anniversary. And what they decided to do on this shoe is they just decided to put a bunch of logos on this shoe. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard black and silver Air Force 1 box, and the color code is Total Orange. Also in the box is Just Do It stickers, which is a nice little touch. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a tumble leather Total Orange upper with the various graphics on the shoe. For the most part, both shoes have different logos, so for the first time, I'm going to take a look at both shoes at the same time. For the toe, you have an orange toe box with the Air Max logo on the left shoe, and on the right shoe, you've got the white and black patch logo, and you've got the Total Orange tumble leather toe cap. For the tongue, you've got the nylon tongue with the 90s era Just Do It patch. The laces also say Just Do It on them, and on the left shoe, you've got white aglets, and on the right shoe, you've got black aglets, and they both say Just Do It on them. On the lateral of the left shoe, you've got the Nike Air logo in black on the vamp, as well as a hologram Nike swoosh that says Just Do It on it. And you have the more late 90s era Just Do It logo on the vamp, as well as a Nike swoosh by the ankle. On the right shoe, you got the Nike Air logo from the ankle of the left shoe on the vamp this time, and you've got a repeating Just Do It logo. Also, you have a white Nike Air logo on the ankle this time. Additionally, you have a Just Do It hang tag. Taking a look at the heel of the shoe, you have Just Do It in black and white, Just Do It in black for the right shoe, and Just Do It in white for the left shoe, as well as this wraparound Just Do It patch acting as a heel counter. On the medial, you have a different hologram Nike swoosh that says Just Do It on it, and you've got the orange and white Nike Air Max patch, and you've got two white and black Nike swooshes on the vamp. On the left shoe, you've got a white and black Nike swoosh by the ankle, as well as a black patch that has the Nike Air logo on it, and you've got another white Nike swoosh by the vamp. The shoe features a white rubber midsole, along with a white outsole. There's just a lot going on with this shoe. Just way too much going on with this shoe. Like, this is a great piece that you would put like in your collection, but as far as wearing it, there's just so much going on with it. It's just, it almost looks tacky almost. The quality on the shoe is amazing though. Like, the tumble leather is great, but I can't see myself wearing this shoe, and it would most likely just stay in my collection as like a showpiece. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Air Force 1 Just Do It hits Nike retailers at Nike.com on June 28th for a retail price of $130. Alright everyone, this has been another Sole Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Sole Post channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Sole Post. Thanks for watching. See you soon.